Hi gang, this is number 55 in section 2.4. So this is a log function. It shifted 1 unit to the left. So it has a vertical asymptote at -1. It has an x-intercept at 0. It looks like this. Now this function is being cut at, it's saying for all x values greater than 0. So this function is being cut here. So it's like you're just taking this piece of it because it's 0 or higher. So then the question is, so this function here is continuous on this domain. This has no holes, no gaps, no vertical asymptotes within this segment. So this is continuous on this domain. And this function, which is a parabola, parabolas are continuous functions always, all real numbers. But so if we look at this function, this is a parabola. It's face down and up 1 unit. It's got x-intercepts at 1 and -1. So if you just want to see what the graph of that guy looks like, it looks like that, and it's being cut at 0 and everything less than 0. So it's being cut here and then everything from here. So at 0, this function is actually at a height of 1. So this is what this graph looks like. So the quick way to sort of figure it out is if you put in a 0 into here, logarithm of 1 is 0. And if you put a 0 into here, 1 minus 0 is 1. So this outputs a 0 where this outputs a 1. So these values are not equivalent, as you can see here. So again, the one-sided limits exist, but they're not equivalent. And remember, for continuity, you need those 3 constraints. You need the point at C to exist. You need the one-sided limits to exist and be equal. And then you need the two-sided limit to equal that coordinate you're looking at, that value f of C. So here, as we go to the origin, you can see that the limits don't approach each other. So what happens here is that we have a discontinuity at x equals to 0. This is a gap, so we'll say that this is non-removable. So again, if the segments are continuous, the only potential place where you can have a discontinuity is whether they connect or not. So in this case, the two functions did not connect, so therefore we have a discontinuity. Okay gang, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you. Bye-bye.